Turkey's military presence is increasingly hard to ignore in 2025. The country boasts one of the largest armed forces globally. With nearly 900,000 personnel, it ranks among the top 10 most powerful militaries. Turkey's strategic location at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East adds to its significance. It is a key member of NATO, a testament to its military capabilities and strategic importance. Turkey's defense budget, exceeding $13 billion annually, fuels its ambitious military modernization programs. Turkey's military is not resting on its laurels. The country is investing heavily in upgrading its equipment and developing indigenous military technologies. This commitment to self-reliance stems partly from historical experiences with arms embargoes. It also reflects Turkey's ambition to become a leading regional power. The focus is on advanced technologies like drones, missiles, and cyber warfare capabilities. These investments are transforming the Turkish Armed Forces into a modern and formidable force. Turkey's military might is not just about numbers and equipment, it is also about the skills and experience of its personnel. The Turkish military has been involved in various operations, from peacekeeping missions to counter-terrorism efforts. These experiences have honed the skills of its soldiers and commanders, making them a battle-hardened force. Turkey's military exercises with other countries further enhance its interoperability and readiness. Recent operations in Syria highlight Turkey's growing regional influence and assertiveness. The country is also testing its longest-range missiles, showcasing its technological advancements. These developments have not gone unnoticed. Turkey's military activities are closely watched by regional and global powers, acknowledging its growing influence on the world stage. The Turkish Armed Forces comprise distinct branches, each with specialized capabilities. The Turkish Army, the largest branch, fields over 2,500 tanks, including Leopard 2s and modernized M60s. It is also incorporating domestically produced Altay and Kaplan tanks, showcasing Turkey's growing self-sufficiency. Armored vehicles like the Kirpi, FNSS Kaplan, and PARS enhance the Army's mobility and firepower. The Turkish Air Force is a formidable force in the region. It boasts over 1,000 aircraft, including modern F-16 fighter jets. However, the real game-changer is Turkey's investment in unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. Turkey is a world leader in drone technology, with its Bayraktar TB2 drones gaining global recognition for their combat effectiveness. Other advanced drones like the Anka-S and Vestel Karayel bolster Turkey's aerial surveillance and strike capabilities. The Turkish Navy is also undergoing a significant modernization program. It is expanding its submarine and surface fleets, with a focus on anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The Miljum project, a national shipbuilding initiative, has produced Ada-class corvettes and Istanbul-class frigates, enhancing the Navy's coastal defense and blue water capabilities. The TCG Anadolu, an amphibious assault ship, is the largest warship in the Turkish Navy, projecting power and influence far beyond Turkey's shores. Beyond conventional warfare, Turkey is investing heavily in missile technology and cyber warfare capabilities. The missile forces command a formidable arsenal of ballistic and cruise missiles. Turkey's recent test of the Tayfun missile, its longest-range missile to date, demonstrates its growing missile capabilities. Simultaneously, Turkey is bolstering its cyber warfare capabilities, recognizing the evolving nature of modern warfare. These investments are crucial for deterring adversaries and protecting Turkey's critical infrastructure. Turkey's military transformation is closely intertwined with the remarkable growth of its indigenous defense industry. Once heavily reliant on foreign suppliers, Turkey is rapidly becoming self-sufficient in producing various military equipment, from tanks and drones to warships and missiles. This shift towards self-reliance is driven by strategic considerations and a desire to bolster the domestic economy. The numbers speak for themselves. Turkey's defense exports have skyrocketed in recent years, making it one of the world's top arms exporters. The country now exports its military hardware to over 170 countries, with customers in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. This success is a testament to the quality and competitiveness of Turkish-made defense products. Companies like Baykar, Roketsan, and Aselsan are gaining global recognition for their technological prowess. Turkey's defense industry is not just about exporting existing technologies. It is also about pushing the boundaries of innovation. The country is investing heavily in research and development, focusing on cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and directed energy weapons. One notable example is the Steel Dome project, an AI-augmented system designed to intercept airborne threats, similar to Israel's Iron Dome, but potentially even more advanced. Another ambitious project is the development of the Turkish Kayan, a fifth-generation fighter jet intended to rival the world's most advanced combat aircraft. These projects highlight Turkey's ambition to be at the forefront of military technology, not just a consumer of foreign-made weapons. This drive for self-sufficiency and innovation is transforming Turkey's defense industry into a key driver of economic growth and technological advancement. In 2025, Turkey stands as a pivotal player in a volatile region. Its growing military strength is not merely a matter of national pride, but a strategic necessity. As a key member of NATO, Turkey plays a crucial role in maintaining security along the alliance's southeastern flank. It serves as a bulwark against instability emanating from the Middle East, and a deterrent against potential adversaries. However, Turkey's strategic interests extend beyond NATO. The country is increasingly assertive in its neighborhood, pursuing an independent foreign policy that reflects its growing economic and military clout. Turkey's involvement in regional conflicts such as the Syrian civil war demonstrates its willingness to use hard power to protect its interests and project its influence. It has also strengthened ties with countries in Africa and Asia, expanding its diplomatic and economic footprint. Turkey's growing military power has not been without controversy. Its interventions in Syria and Libya have raised concerns among some Western allies. Its purchase of the Russian S-400 missile defense system, despite objections from the United States, highlights its determination to chart its course. These actions underscore Turkey's complex and at times contradictory relationship with the West, balancing its NATO commitments with its own strategic priorities. As Turkey's global influence expands, so too does its responsibility. The country faces the challenge of wielding its military power judiciously, avoiding actions that could escalate regional tensions. It must also navigate its relationship with Russia and other regional powers carefully, seeking to avoid direct confrontation while safeguarding its interests. Turkey's ability to strike this delicate balance will be crucial for its own security and the stability of its neighborhood. The world is watching closely as Turkey emerges as a major player on the global stage. Its military might, a reflection of its growing ambitions, and its determination to shape the future. What do you think about Turkey's military rise? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more global military content.